Hi everyone. Well, I've been looking forward to making this video for you. A short while ago I was sent a drill by a company called Culiau, and I hope I have pronounced that correctly, by the way. This little drill is something neat. There we go. It's called a Customizer, and it is just ever so cute, I must admit. Here is the set. Obviously no wires involved. It is rechargeable, which is really, really nice. It feels quite substantial. It's not something, it doesn't feel light and cheap, if you know what I mean. It feels relatively substantial. It already has a diamond burr in it. And when we turn it on, there we go, you can hear it. It automatically comes on at the fastest speed of 3. And there you can hear it at number 2, and press it again and you go down to the slowest speed. Press it again and it goes off. Right. As I say, it's already got a diamond in it, and it comes with 30 diamonds. I haven't counted whether that's 30 more diamonds or 30 altogether, but there you are. You can see all the diamonds, various shapes and sizes, and a little key that helps to secure them in place. It also has the charger, of course, and this is not a special housing for the charger. This is a neat little lid for the pen, so that now it can go into your pocket safely and you can take it along to wherever you're intending to customize something. It takes burrs that are 2.35 millimeter in size of shank. And so if you are wanting other burrs from other companies, as long as that is the size, they will fit. So without further ado, I think it is time to get on with some engraving.
So now I've got my headband magnifiers on, I see that this is actually not a diamond. This is a tungsten carbide tip. You can see its shape is quite different to a diamond, and so that would not be any use on the glass. So I am removing it and I will be putting a little diamond in. This of course is from the little box full of lovely burrs. The instructions did say that using this key is not always necessary for small burrs, so we'll have a test anyway. It starts off at the highest speed, and I am just letting you hear what it sounds like. Now I'm not pressing very hard, but you can hear the slight drag. There's definitely a slight drag on it as you press slightly harder, and I would imagine with a larger burr this would be accentuated. So clearly you need to be a little bit gentle with this piece of equipment. I very simply had drawn with a permanent marker, obviously the basic shape of my banana, and I am really very simply running over the edges now with the same little diamond. I have a white background so that you can see very clearly the black pen marks. I'm putting a larger diamond burr in now, can see a little bit of wavering, that of course at high speed with the battery full. And of course a lot of dust. It is really chewing very nicely into this rather cheap beer glass. It's nothing fancy, it's not a crystal, it's quite a thick glass. Of course, if you are unaware, you really do need to wear a mask. I also use water with my engraving, but I'm not using water for this demonstration. I am creating some very, very simple shapes that I am seeing within the banana itself. Now, as I only have diamond burrs in the set, I am having to create halftones just using diamonds. Anybody who knows me knows that I do like to use stones and rubbers to create halftones as well. I will be creating another video where I use only 2 more burrs, burrs that are purchased from another company, where I carry on with this video and create a lovely 3D half-toned banana. That of course is demonstrating the sound is slightly different, where I am very, very lightly letting the burr bounce across the surface of the glass, so that a lot of the clear glass is still showing through, but it is giving us the impression of a half-tone or a grey tone, as opposed to the white, of course. Just trying to bring to the surface and making this banana a little bit more solid. Be a little bit careful not to go over the edges. Clearly in this little section I have sped up the film to quite a degree. I'm not engraving this fast. I wish I could. I am quite impressed at the degree that this drill is engraving into a relatively cheap glass. I am managing quite well to create some 3D effects that will be noticeable with the light coming slightly from the side. Already the main body of the banana has quite a good 3D effect with the light coming from the side, showing the intaglio engraving, which is quite impressive, to be honest. And as you can see with this engraving so far, we have used 1 bar of battery. I am certainly putting it through its paces, I believe, and I've got to say that the body of the drill is certainly not hot or anything like that, which sometimes a cheaper drill can get, but it is certainly not hot. And there you see, I'm virtually finished and still only 1 bar used. Always sign your work. I am using a very small ended burr called the rat's tail, also in the set. I'm just making a note of the fact that this is a demonstration glass. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it is helpful. I recommend this little drill certainly for beginners. I would like to thank the company Culiau for sending this drill to me to demonstrate with. It has been most enjoyable. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to pop over to my teaching channel. That's patreon.com/glass engraving, where you will see how I demonstrate with only 2 more burrs the lovely soft shaded effect of this banana. Thanks for watching everyone, and happy engraving. Bye for now.